Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be an AirPod Pro unboxing. So I have the box right here, and I'm filming this introduction after I already did the unboxing, so that's why it's not in the packaging still, because I got this a few days ago. I was just waiting for the rest of the accessories I wanted to get to come in before I finished filming and making this video. So by the time you're seeing this, AirPods have been unboxed. I'm enjoying listening to music now, and it's just a great experience for me overall. But yeah, if you have not seen my face before, hey, my name is Love, and I would love if you would subscribe down below and join the fam. We are super close to having 1K subscribers on this channel for all of us, so if you feel like it, please join the fam. I'd appreciate it. But without further ado, we're going to get into this video because this is a super fun video, and I'm excited to get into these AirPods. So let's get into these AirPods. So these are, like I said, the newest AirPod Pros. This is the newest version of AirPods that Apple just came out with this year, and I have been wanting these so badly. This was like a little early Christmas gift to myself that I have been waiting and saving up to get during this school year, and honestly I just needed them because my AirPods I have currently are first generation and they are starting to fall apart on me. So yeah, taking that off with one hand was kind of hard, but once we got that off, taking off the box was harder. So I started to shake that off here, but eventually your girl got it open. So as soon as you open it, you get this little card on top with a case of all of the important information about how to take care of your AirPods, warranty, everything relating to that. And in here I was checking for stickers, which they do not come with for AirPods. I don't know why that's a thing. But then we got straight to it. So I just unwrapped these babies. I was also unboxing this for my sister. She was on the phone while I was doing this. So if you see me holding anything off to the side, that's why, because my iPad was set up. So yeah, it's still Lightning instead of USB-C, which I don't understand yet, but the cord is Lightning to USB-C, which is okay because it's compatible with all of my Apple chargers now. So this is my first look at them. They look really classy. I love the sleek look of these. And honestly, I thought that I would not like how wide they are, but it genuinely does not change anything really for me. And then I pulled out this little thing, the little pull tab, and here is my first look at the charger. So like I said, it is Lightning to USB-C, and I'm just happy now I keep the extra charger. So here I was looking for the extra earpieces, which was actually the little tab I pulled in the beginning. I didn't realize it. So this was the small and large sized, and my ears are super tiny, so I need a small. I went on Amazon and I ordered a few more accessories online just because, as I said, my ears are super small, so I needed to order some ear hooks, but the first thing I needed to pick up was a case to protect it, because when I first got my AirPods before, I had lost them. They were ran over by a car, they were all scuffed up, and it was just a mess. Like literally they were buried in snow when I found them. So I just have to take these safety precautions now. So this bag was kind of giving me trouble, so I had to cut this one open instead of just ripping the tab. So once I finally got that open, this was the package that had my ear hooks in here. So these ear hooks are like just extra support to keep the AirPods in your ear. So yeah, we're gonna put those aside. We're gonna take a look. I was just reading the package here just to get a gist of it, and I just went ahead and opened it up for you guys. So in the package, it comes with the ear hooks, it comes with a case for the ear hooks, and then I think it just comes with a little warranty and a card letting you know about them. So in total, it came with 3 of these little ear hooks. So if you lose them, if they get dirty, you want to replace them, you have 2 more sets, so which is really good. So because I really don't know how often people use AirPods, but you would need it. And then it comes with a case for these ear hooks because they do not fit inside of the Apple AirPods case, which I'm thankful that it actually came with one. I honestly didn't know that when I was buying it, but I'm grateful that I saw it when I opened the package. And then here is the case. I got this black marble case. I am obsessed with black marble. I really love the look of it. I think it makes everything look super sleek, so I'm just showing you guys a closer look at the case right there. So I had my AirPods unboxed for a couple of days, and I had to wait for these accessories to come in. I filmed the unboxing on Tuesday for the AirPods, and then I filmed the accessories, which is Friday today. So just wanted to take it back out of the packaging so that I can put it in the case. And I'm not gonna lie, the first time I put the AirPods in the AirPod case I bought, I put it in backwards. I didn't realize that I did not line up the hinge on the back, and I was looking at how it was lining up, and I was like, why is there this giant space? And then I realized, oh, the hinge in the back. So I just had to take it off and start again, because obviously if I would have locked it on that way, it wouldn't have worked. So I was just taking off the thing here, but I really do like this case. I have a silicone case for my first AirPod generation ones, and it gets really dirty as well, but this one is like a hard plastic, which I do appreciate because the silicone is also pretty flimsy as well. Even though it's protective, it can be flimsy. I do realize that this case exposes a lot of the back of this, like this hinge is overexposed for my liking. I think that's just because I didn't get a silicone case, so these hard plastic cases expose more of the hinge. And then I took the AirPods out to go ahead and attach these ear hooks. So I just took the ear hooks out of the packaging and I went ahead and started to attach them to the AirPods themselves. So in a minute here, I'm gonna zoom in really quick so you guys can see a closer look. So you basically just, they're labeled for you as well, so one says right and left, so you just match it up with your AirPods and you start to put them on, and that is what the ear hook looks like. And here is where I go ahead and zoom in so you can see me put on the left side. So you just line up the holes and you just literally slide it on. These are actually not uncomfortable at all in my ears after wearing them, and then you just align the holes for the speaker so you can actually hear when they're in your ear. And that is what they look like. That's the final product. Alright guys, so I just finished filming my AirPods unboxing. I showed you guys me putting on my new AirPods case. I love it. It's so cute. I am obsessed with black marble and I'm so happy I picked this case. It's so cute. And then also my cute little AirPods. So the thing that I'm thinking about these is that it's going to be annoying to have to put these little covers on every time. One thing I do want to test is if I can still put these AirPods in here and close the case with these things on. So obviously I cannot, but I want to figure out like the placement, like I think this goes like under, like kind of like that, but it still kind of feels like it's gonna fall out. I really can't tell. Oh wow, these really do cancel sound like in 2 seconds. So I think they go like that. I can't tell if they're secure. So I did a shake test. I'm gonna come and show you guys what my ears look like. So this is what it looks like. I'm probably gonna do a little zoom in for you guys so you can see. And then this is the other side. It kind of feels like it's not gonna fall out, and I think that's really good. Honestly, if I'm talking louder, I can't tell because I really can't hear anything. Cannot. Like, the loudness of my air conditioning in my room significantly decreased once I put these things in, and I think that the hook is actually working. When I first got these, people were telling me like, oh love, you're gonna have to like really dig your AirPods in and like make it fit, and I was like, I don't want to have to like dig the AirPod bud all the way deep into my ear. These are basically kind of sitting right off the edge of my ear and they feel pretty comfortable. To me, I really can't complain. I'm just gonna hook this extra attachment for the ear hooks onto this. I think it's sitting perfectly fine. When I take it out, it instantly gets louder, and I'm gonna put it back in, and I think the hook is already where it's supposed to be, and it's instantly quiet. I'm gonna do the little ear press thing, and the air conditioning is right back to being as loud. So I took it off of noise cancellation mode, and I'm gonna tell you right now, the noise cancellation mode does work. I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna show you guys me doing it, and this is from loud air conditioning. absolutely none, and I freaking love it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm going to take these things out of my ears. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this cute little unboxing of my new AirPod Pros, and I really do like the new design of these. I can't lie to you guys. I think the sound definitely is a lot louder in the AirPod Pros than the first generation AirPods, which is what I'm transitioning from. So I do really appreciate these. I'm definitely going to have to keep using them over the next few days to really just genuinely get a feel of how I'm going to like these. I'm definitely not going to return them because I'm a huge AirPod fanatic. I'm an Apple fanatic, which is why I wanted to film this unboxing in the first place. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and leave me any comments down below for video requests, and I would love to film them for you. Also, if you have not already, make sure to subscribe down below and join the fam, because I would really appreciate if you guys would do that. And that is pretty much it. If you have not already, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And thank you guys all so much for watching. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.